delicious, easy to make pumpkin beef soup, Jamaican style. Perfect for the rainy days and is a hit for your Saturday soup day. So if you want to see how I achieve this beautiful bowl of soup, continue watching. And I want to take the time out to thank all my returning supporters. Thank you guys so much for coming back. For those of you coming for the first time, welcome. My name is Nicola. Here you find Jamaican dishes and easy to make dishes from around the world. So if you want to see how, continue watching and hit the subscribe button so you will get notified when I have a new upload. So without further ado guys, let's jump straight into the video. Here I have some beef soup bone. I'm going to cut all the meats off and wash this properly and season. Then I'll come back. So just continue watching and I'll come back when there's another step to be explained. Okay, as you see, we're using some fresh garlic cloves, pimento seed, and beef seasoning powder. And I already have my water on the stove boiling. So I'm just going to add this and cover and allow it to cook halfway while we prep our starter. The starter is just to give the soup a little body, as thickening and also coloring. So for the starter, I'm going to use pumpkin, Irish potato, and carrots. And those will be cut in smaller pieces. And the rest I'll use for when we're adding the dumpling and so forth. So continue watching, guys. So our starter ready. So we're going to add this to the pot. And for the remaining chocho and some of the carrots, I'm going to leave those for later as I mentioned earlier. So just add this to the pot, cover and allow to fully cooked. And then we work on the rest of ingredients. But if you're watching to this far, guys, and you haven't subscribed, please do so at this moment. And also hit the notification bell for future uploads. So this remaining leftover from the starter, we're going to add cocoa and yellow yam to that, and of course our dumpling. So for the dumpling dough, we need flour, salt, water, optional caramel. I love to put caramel in my dumpling. So just add water, knead until we have a nice smooth dough, and cover and allow to rest until when it's time to use. I have a lot of dumplings recipe on this channel. So for more details, go ahead and check one out and you'll see how I made this, okay? So this is my piece of yellow yam and cocoa, all peeled, washed, and cut in size of my choice. So this, after around 20 minutes, this cook because we're using the pressure pot. So now I'm going to add my remaining food that include our cocoa, yam, and the remaining from the starter. and then we're going to form our dumplings. My dough rests, so now I'm putting aside small pieces to make my dumplings, and I'm making 3 style dumpling in this soup. I'm making the round dumpling, but these are some small dumplings. Just make a small ball and put an indent in the middle. And for the next one, we call this one cow tongue dumpling. Just make a log and put indent in the middle. And for the other one, we call that spinach dumpling for the soup. Yes. So use whichever one of your choice, guys. And we're going to add this to our pot now. Stir well and allow our yam cocoa dumpling to be cooked. Then we add the rest of ingredients. So continue watching, guys. So here I have some frozen corn from my freezer. I'm going to allow these to thaw down a bit and cut these in smaller pieces, and so we can add those to our soup as well. So all our corn, dumpling, yam, everything cooked now. So now it's time to add our noodle. I'm using pumpkin mix noodle. And I'm going to add my fresh season, scallion, and add pepper. I'm going to use dry thyme for this one. I don't have fresh thyme, but it works well. So just add all those seasons, stir well, lower your flame, guys, and allow this to simmer until it's thickened and our soup nice and ready to go. I'll catch you at the end of the video, so continue watching, guys. So here you have it, guys, my beef soup ready to be served. Yes, and here I've plated up my bowl of soup. This was very delicious. I take a piece of everything. Yes, so I hope that you guys did enjoy this one. So please watch full, like the video, share, hype, and do subscribe for more. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.